Hello friends, are you looking for monkeyworks.com reviews? If yes, then watch this video as today I will share monkeyworks.com reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Monkeyworks is gaining the attention of the individuals in the United States, and this is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are handcrafted beard balm, oil, hats, soaps, utensils, pens and so forth. Now let's talk about other information related to payments. So no information is disclosed on home page, but during the checkout you will find out the mode of payment, that is you can pay through debit and credit card, and the estimated shipping time is 1 to 3 days and the shipping cost is $8.45. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the product. So guys, MonkeyWix have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 7th June 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new. Now, let's take a look at About Us section. So, we can see that there is no About Us section available on the official website. Now let's check the way to contact them. So here on the official website, an email address is accessible, which you can find it through checkout page, that is monkey@monkeyrex.com, and the external links for Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram lend us on the right page. But the number of followers are just 229 on Instagram. Now let's check the return policies. So again we could not find any return policy link. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the monkeyrex.com reviews, guys, so we could not find even a single review neither on the official web page nor on the reliable websites. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that monkeyrex.com is a scam website since it is new and no information related to return, refund, exchange, cancellation of order and so forth is provided. Therefore, we could recommend our viewers to stay away from such website. However, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kind of a scam. After all, we are here to spread awareness about this scam. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys. Stay informed, stay safe.